Okay, change the word to autism to the word Jews. RFK Junior's plans of Jewish registry, Jew registry, and anti-vaccine registry. Try that one. Try that one. You know what that sounds like, right? Sounds like the far right. Can this guy get any fucking dumber? The worm is eating this fucker's brain. Fuck RFK Jr. This guy's a fucking idiot. He is a fucking idiot. Oh yeah, and another thing. Those are the list of vaccines I've taken, by the way. Yeah. So, go fuck yourself, RFK Jr. You're a fucking idiot.